Today we're building the chair that I am sitting in. Alright, so in order to get this piece to slide into the other, it's going to need to be a bit thinner. Mark it there and here. Going to set the table saw up, give me 2 inches off of each side. I'm just going to get it started on the table saw and then I'll clean it up with the jigsaw. Alright, so now I need to mark out the slot that is going to fit the seat. That is crooked as shit. I'm going to go ahead and cut these sharp corners off. I marked them earlier using a roll of painter's tape. I'm gonna go ahead and give the seat another rough sanding, but I'm gonna be going over it again after I burn it.
Go ahead.
All right, let's see how this dry fit goes. This is quite comfy. All right, so those 2 cutoffs from earlier, we're going to attach right back to the seat. Then we'll grab another strap of scrap to put across the back on the top and bottom. And then that way the seat has a place to go when it's not in use. right, I got them brushed off, and now I am going to give them a very light sanding.
Fascinating.
So this would be a stargazer chair, or a bog chair, or a Viking-style camp chair. Take your pick, but it is much more comfortable than it has any right to be.